morning, students. I am Mrs. Sunita Pardesi, and today we are going to start new lesson. So, before starting our lesson, can you tell me what you can see in this map? Yes, you are right. India and other countries. We are going to start today Political Science lesson number 5, India and other countries. In this lesson, we are going to learn India's relations with neighboring countries, as well as we will also study India's relations with some faraway nations. India occupies an important position in Asia. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Maldives are India's neighbors. India has established relations with neighboring countries on the basis of the values of equality and mutual respect. India is the biggest and economically most developed country in the Indian subcontinent. So, India has a great influence among the South Asian countries. India and Pakistan. Independent nations, India and Pakistan came into existence in 1947. Indo-Pak relations are influenced by the following factors: differences in the world views of both the countries, Kashmir issues, and nuclear rivalry between the two countries. World view of both the countries, India and Pakistan, are totally different. During the Cold War, India followed policy of non-alignment and did not join any military alliance. But Pakistan joined America-led alliance, maintained relations with the Islamic world, and later entered into a military agreement with China. On the issues of Kashmir, Indo-Pak War took place in 1965, 1971 and 1999. Pakistan respected neither Tashkent Agreement in 1966 nor Shimla Agreement of 1972. Tashkent Agreement was an agreement in between India and Pakistan for the peace after the 1965 war between India and Pakistan. Shimla Agreement. The Shimla Agreement was signed between India and Pakistan on 2nd July 1972 at Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh. The agreement was the result of resolve of both the countries to put an end to the conflict and confrontation that till they managed their relations. The agreement was signed between Prime Minister of India Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, President of Pakistan. The agreement states that both the countries should settle their differences by peaceful means through bilateral negotiations. They have mutual respect for each other, observe international borders, and govern their future relations. But Pakistan has never followed the Shimla Agreement. Even today, the Kashmir question is a basic cause of conflict. The conflict over Kashmir has taken the form of Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. India and Pakistan conducted nuclear tests in 1998, and there is perceived threat of nuclear conflict. In 1999, there was a conflict between India and Pakistan over the infiltration by Pakistan in the Kargil region. Sir Creek area is another border disputes between India and Pakistan. All attempts of dialogue with Pakistan have remained unsuccessful till date. Sir Creek is a 96 km strip on the border of India and Pakistan. The creek, which opens up into the Arabian Sea, divides the Gujarat state of India from the Sindh provinces of Pakistan. The line which demarcates India and Pakistan passes through it. Pakistan lays claim to the entire creek as per paragraph 9 and 10 of the Sindh Government Resolution of 1914 signed between the Government of Sindh and Rao Maharaj of Kutch. Second neighboring country, that is China. So we will see India and China. The conflict between India and China is on two issues. First, border issues. Second, status of Tibet. The border disputes between India and China is related to Aksai Chin area and the McMahon line. China claims that the area south of Aksai Chin and McMahon line of Arunachal Pradesh is Chinese territory. China does not accept the McMahon line is an international border. India's efforts to sort out the border dispute by dialogue did not succeed and China attacked India in 1962. Tibet was traditionally autonomous. Dalai Lama means spiritual head of Buddhism in Tibet, took asylum in India. When China was stepping up its military control in Tibet, this issue is also responsible for conflict between the two countries. Asylum means protection or shelter against the political instability. Growing friendship between China and Pakistan is a threat to India's security. China supplies weapons, missiles, and nuclear weapons technology to Pakistan. India tried to restore normalcy in the relationship since 1987. A joint executive group was set up to solve the Sino-Indian border disputes. The improvement in economic and trade relations between India and China and a series of tripartite talks between Russia, China and India. Sino-Indian relations are improving slowly. Due to these, the border disputes has taken a back seat. India and other neighbors, in that Afghanistan. India has extended help to bring peace, security, and stability, curb violence, and establish a democratic government. India is also helping Afghanistan in re establishing communication facilities, build roads and schools, irrigation, and health services. Bangladesh. Initially, Pakistan was made up of two parts, that is West Pakistan and East Pakistan. Due to linguistic and political conflicts between them, a movement to liberate Bangladesh from West Pakistan took place. Bangladesh came into existence due to India's help in its freedom struggle. Treaties on sharing river water and shared boundaries have been signed. So, here we will take a pause, students, and we will continue this lesson, India and other countries, in the second part with some other neighboring countries of India. Till then, take care. Bye bye.